Ready to end the ConvertKit versus KLAVIYO debate once and for all, so you can skyrocket your email marketing game. First, let's dive into automation, where KLAVIYO takes the lead with more advanced, behavior-based triggers ideal for complex customer journeys, whereas ConvertKit shines with its simplicity, offering intuitive visual automation perfect for creators and smaller businesses just getting started. Notice how ConvertKit's visual interface allows you to easily map out your customer journey with simple if-then logic, perfect for setting up basic welcome sequences or product launch campaigns. Now, let's talk segmentation. KLAVIYO again boasts superior segmentation capabilities, allowing you to target customers based on purchase history, website activity, and even predicted churn. But ConvertKit provides adequate segmentation for most creators through tags and custom fields. When it comes to e-commerce, KLAVIYO truly integrates deeply with platforms like Shopify, pulling in real-time data to personalize every email. But ConvertKit does offer some integrations, although they aren't quite as robust, making it a better fit if e-commerce isn't your primary focus. Finally, let's address pricing, where ConvertKit generally proves more affordable for smaller lists, but KLAVIYO's pricing becomes more competitive as your list grows and you leverage its advanced features and revenue tracking. So, is it ConvertKit or KLAVIYO? The truth is, it depends on your specific needs, budget, and technical expertise. If you're a creator prioritizing simplicity and affordability, go with ConvertKit. But if you're an e-commerce brand demanding powerful automation and segmentation, KLAVIYO is your champion.